All I want more. Damien Diamond solving more. Vision clear, we rack 'em up, make 'em real intangibles.
Tagal ko na din narinig yun ah.
Hoy, teka. Paano yung... Sino mo una mag-ano?
Wag na, okay na. Hello.
Yun na. Hello.
Okay na yan.
Hello.
Yo!
Back of the dead.
Hindi kasi
Good
introduction
naman.
ni Byron eh.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Afternoon.
Whatever time you're watching this, no, welcome back to the Intangibles Podcast. Season 2. Wow, wala mo naman, Season 2. Pero
Wow.
guys, tingnan nyo, 1 episode lang to. Mga ano na to, next year na ulit.
Hintayin nyo bumalik yung AP.
Pero ayun, we're back. Back from the dead. At engineer. Uy,
Yes.
uy. Iba na
Mga Byron fans natin dyan. Engineer na siya.
Yun na.
Iba na. Engineer Byron. Yun ang lalagay kong pangalan mo sa ano? Sa podcast
Ano
yun.
naman?
Byron.
Invite yan.
Yo. Guys, so
Oh.
kung gusto nyo magpagawa ng basketball court, so yan, no? Nandiyan na siya.
Patay.
Okay, anyway, ayan. Bye. Sam, Slides, Phil, Pio. We're back. And today, hindi, actually before we start yung pag-uusapan namin, siguro sabihin ko lang, hindi namin pinapromise na magiging normal ulit yung schedule ng pag-film. Hopefully, as consistent as possible. Pero, hindi na kami students ngayon. So, medyo mahirap na ang schedule sa
Correction,
amin.
we're not college students.
Okay, we're not college students anymore.
True. Yes.
So,
Yeah.
medyo kailangan namin mag-ayos ng oras. Pero we'll give you the episode if kailangan and if may oras. Bibigyan naman namin yun. So, anyway,
Busy na kasi kami.
busy na kasi kami. Yung
Alam mo
engineer
yun,
kasi dyan,
guys.
yung
May
engineer kasi dyan,
pagganun-ganun eh.
nag-break eh.
Alam mo yun, guys.
Sobrang busy namin.
Pickleball.
Naka-break si
Jogging.
Yeah. Pickleball,
Jogging.
jogging, kain. Yun, sobrang busy talaga ni engineer.
Ano dito, 80% alipin ng salapi, 20% may estudyante, yung isa naka-break.
Yeah.
Yung isa naka-break.
So, ayun. Anyway, and today, yung pag-uusapan lang namin, basta, ang pag-uusapan namin NBA ngayon. Kasi, ito lang, sobrang busy namin. Hindi namin napasubaybayan yung iba pang mga ganap. Ano bang ganap ngayon? PBA semis.
Miss, grabe yung shot ni LA. If you guys
Yeah,
Shout out LA. Kuya LA.
LA.
Shout out.
Ayun. So, ayun. And then, ano pa bang ganap?
Jolo Mendoza, ano na, MPBL.
Hindi
Very
ako
good.
nanonood ng APBL.
Very
So,
good.
try ko.
No, their team's pretty good, ah.
Shout
They
out
did pretty
Levi Sia. Undefeated pa rin. Shout out sa inyo.
Ang dami mong sinusuportahang mga tao ngayon.
Oo, siyempre. Sponsor natin yan.
Kailangan nyo
Ang dami mo ring
abogado,
sponsor
giulit
na
si Phil.
ang dami mo ring sponsor na non-existent eh. No? Galing yan. Okay, anyway. Ano pa ba? So, ayun, NBA. Ang dami kong haters this time kasi champion yung team ko.
Oh, let's
Pero,
talk about it. Let's talk
I don't-
about it. Let's
Wait
talk
lang,
about it.
before you say anything, I don't give a shit. Alright?
Beyond.
I don't give a single shit. Kaya kung gusto niyo pag-usapan, kayo na lang mag-usap.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk
Kayo na
about
lang
it.
mag-usap. Sige na, pag-usapan niyo kung anong gusto niyo pag-usapan. Basta nanalo kami championship.
Hey,
Kung
Three
lucky,
back.
whether it's lucky or not, I don't give a
Byron
shit.
smiling.
We won. So
Hey,
kung gusto niyo na,
I'll say, wala pa na, like, siguro around 8, rough estimate, mga 75% ng NBA championships, define siya by an injury. So, no, it's pretty normal. I'll give that to
And-
Matt. It's pretty normal
and plus,
to have, ano,
you know why? I know why I don't give a shit. Kasi 13 years ng buhay ko inintay ko to. Kaya wala kayong masasabi na
it's
na masisira to.
it's
I
it's
don't care.
normal. I'll just say that daming injury, like not just in the finals. There were too many
Unfortunately,
injuries
oo
in
nga,
this
ang
play.
daming,
Yeah,
ang
yeah.
daming,
Like it kind of defined the playoffs. Kind of.
daming injuries like per team ng kinalaban ng Pacers.
Kahit yung
Nagkaroon
Pacers mismo.
kahit
Yeah,
yung Pacers
Pacers
mismo
mismo.
nagkaroon ng injury.
Go, Baron. Whatever you say, I got you. Whatever you say, I got you.
Ano mga comment nyo dyan? Kasi I'm waiting to hear it. Kahit wala naman akong paki.
For context lang, guys, Byron is the biggest OKC Thunder hater.
Hindi, Matt King hater lang yan.
Happens to be a San
Hindi,
Antonio.
hindi, Matt King hater lang yan. Hindi yan okay si Thunder
Matt
hater.
King hater ba?
Kung anong gusto ko, ayaw niya.
Hate.
Ganun lang yun.
First fans, we don't own him.
Una, hater talaga ako eh. First, pangat siya ng jersey, kaya talaga ako nababad trip. Pangat na pangat talaga sa jersey.
True.
I'll give you that. I'm with you, Byron. I
Hindi
told
na nila
you.
ng update doon.
Ang ganda ng Sonics jersey eh. Tapos biglang,
True.
ilan Thunder? Yan, Thunder's baby blue. Madrid.
Yes. Yun, actually yun, I can agree. Pangit talaga.
Can't stand the Thunder. Pero congrats.
Ay, thank you, Byron. Byron, thank you. Okay, congrats to me, thank you. Congrats din sa inyo kasi sa draft pick nyo, no? And speaking of, yung NBA draft,
Wow.
usapan natin
conversation
NBA,
na.
NBA
Yeah.
draft at saka we're back like we never left. So yung NBA draft, pag-uusapan natin ngayon, we're not gonna talk about everyone kasi realistically, hindi naman natin kilala lahat and not everyone will be talked about. Pero eventually, siguro yung mga number 30, yung mga number 28th pick ng second round, biglang magiging MVP next time na yon. For now, yung number until the 15th draft pick.
Grabe yun.
Damn.
Who's the
Pag-uusapan natin.
28 pick sa second round?
Sino kaya ito?
Sino ba yun?
I
Sino
think
ba
that
yun?
was the Celtics draft pick. I
Sino
think
ba
that was
yun?
the Celtics draft
Hindi
pick.
ko actually kilala eh.
Sino yung na-draft na commercial yung lumabas?
I mean, NBA.com yun. Hugo Gonzalez.
Hugo Gonzalez, yeah, for the Celtics.
Hey, respect ha. Who the hell is that?
Bro.
Oh, hindi. First
Paano
round yun.
ka na?
First round.
28 of the second round.
Sino ulit?
28 of the second round.
Sino
I
ulit?
don't know, Jesus.
Si sa putik. Paano sabihin tong pangalan na to? Sa Leo Niang of the Cavs. Okay, whoever that is, malay mo siya yung MVP in like 5 years.
Guys, just to give some context, if Matt and Lodge don't know who these players are, like these guys, they anticipate the draft. If they don't know, we don't know them.
Yeah.
Marami akong who the hell is Alex Tuhi? Sino yun?
Hey, but if you guys made it to the NBA, congrats though.
Alex Tuhi.
You're better than us.
Alex Tuhi.
Sino yun si
Better
Taylon?
Alex
Sino
Tuhi.
si Taylon Peter? Wala, hindi ko na kilala. Anyway, so pag-uusapan lang natin until number 15 at least.
Damn.
Hey,
If
boy,
may kilala
forget
pa.
Matt Hansen.
Hanggang pick
Matt
5 lang yung kilala.
Hansen.
Wait, teka lang. May kabayan tayo sa NBA draft. Huwag natin
Sino
kalimutan.
na naman?
Sino pa
Dylan
ba?
Harper.
Si Dylan? Si Dylan?
Dylan
Baka may
Dylan lang naman
kabayan
eh.
tayo sa draft.
Yun.
Okay lang yan. Wala akong pake.
Byron said to trade him.
Kasi ito na naman tayo sa mga Pilipino represent tayo dyan. Hindi naman nila represent Pilipinas. Kaya huwag na tayo maging masyadong proud, ha?
Byron said to
Shout out
trade him, bro.
KQ pala.
Yeah, shout out KQ.
Shout out KQ.
Yeah, that's news. That's news.
That's news.
Probably Summer League. Di ko alam kung confirmed na talaga yan.
Shout out Jimmy Alapag.
Oh.
You did God's work.
Yan. Tama.
Okay,
One way
anyway.
or another, you did God's work.
Okay, mamaya na yan. Number 1 pick, Mavs, Cooper Flag. Any comments?
I mean,
B+, pare. Grade B+.
Huwag puta, may grade na
So we're
sa'yo.
giving
Why-
grades.
why
we're
B
giving
plus?
grades. Sige.
Bakit?
Okay, we're giving
Sige,
grades.
sige.
ah.
Why is it a
Sige,
B?
Mga grades.
Sige, Phil, why a B+?
Una, I know they made a mistake with Luka, diba? Pero, getting Cooper Flag, I think they really need the small forward position. Okay? Wala silang small forward position. Only problem is now, they gotta keep the team healthy. Pag healthy to, napakalakas ngayon ng Mavs.
So, bakit B+?
Yun pa.
You do know
Cooper
Cooper
Flag.
Flag.
Wala ka naman
Cooper
sinabing
Flag
mali.
plays- Cooper Flag plays
Cooper
3
Flag's
to 5.
versatile.
Yeah, he plays 3 to 5.
Versatile.
No.
He play any position.
Teka lang. Bakit B+? Anong ginawa niya ng mali sa draft?
What do you mean?
Hindi, ba't
So
hindi A?
you're saying si Bailey dapat kinuha nila. That's what you're saying.
Bakit hindi A? Kasi wala kang binanggit ng maling ginawa nila sa draft.
Pare, walang
Baka-
perfect para sa akin. Walang perfect na player.
Puta.
You know,
Law student kasi, law student.
Oo.
Oo, walang perfect.
Wow.
Walang perfect.
perfect
Walang
dyan.
perfect.
Oo, sige. Oh.
Mas gusto mo bang trinade na lang sana nila yung draft pick for let's
For
say
Giannis?
For vet.
For Keldon Johnson.
No.
Sure.
No,
Overpay.
for me, I think it's okay that they didn't trade him. They need youth. 80's old, Carey's old, Klay Thompson's old, even D'Lo's old.
At saka ano na
So-
naman, ano na naman, magagalit na naman sa kanya mga tao pag tinrade.
Tsaka yung
Yeah,
hindi
like,
niya
Tama,
Silver.
tama yun. Oh.
Ang masasabi
Ano
ko lang, A+, pero the Mavs don't deserve that number 1 pick, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, on God though.
They don't. Even the Spurs. Pero,
Eh,
I mean,
Really?
No, I think
ano yun?
the fuck.
That's it.
Yun na.
What
Yun
the
na.
fuck?
Random ah.
Yeah, but back to Cooper Flag. That's an A, bro. Like AD is still injured. Yeah, that's an A. Like for what it's gonna be. Like AD's injured for the first 30 games minimum. This guy's gonna get the ball all he wants. So like it's what they need. I mean, though I agree with Phil though. B plus is an okay. Like the only thing that they could have done better is trade Cooper Flag for Giannis. Like
Yeah. Which is
honestly,
not gonna happen.
which isn't gonna happen. So
Why-
for what it is, it's an A. For me, it's an A.
So, I mean, yun na yun. Ay, yung iba, may comment pa ba dyan? May ibang comment pa ba dyan tungkol kay Cooper Flag? Everyone ranking. Sige, Sams. Rank lang.
sabihin
Third
lang
rank.
natin yung ranking.
Rank.
Lahat ng mga
Bye.
rankings.
Byron. Rank. Putang inang ranking yun.
Saan?
Galing.
Gayaan niyo si
Siyempre,
Phil.
A+.
Anong ranking yan? A, sila.
I
Sabi ko
mean,
A+.
no-brainer naman para sa. Pero yun nga, I don't think they deserve the number 1 pick. Actually, top 3 picks, I don't feel like they deserve those picks.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
you need to give. I think Philly. I don't like Philly having a top pick. How about Charlotte, Washington? Ilang years silang nag-struggle, tapos still out of the top 3.
True.
Parang hirap lumakas pag gano'n eh.
Utah rin, honestly. Utah, pero we'll get to
Yeah.
that later.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay, Spurs. Byron Lige, Dylan Harper. Second pick. Are you happy with
Muna-muna,
that?
bye.
Feel like they could have traded it nga. Kasi ang dami nilang guards eh. Tapos lahat naman
True.
na top picks after Cooper Flag, I feel like is in the guard position na rin. So, either one you choose, parang ang dami na nila sa guard position. So, I don't know kung ba't na natin rate. I would have traded it personally.
So anong ranking mo
Oh.
sa ano? Anong ranking mo sa sa draft na yun?
Grade.
Parang as long as it B. I mean, if you were to pick a player, you would get the Harper. So, I have no problem with it. Kung kikip mo siya.
Okay. Si Lige.
Ako A+. Kasi, yes, oo, madaming guards yung Spurs. If you have a top 2 pick in the draft, you don't go for fit, you go for the best player available. Yung fit, you can figure it out naman eventually. Pero in terms of who you getting, you're supposed to get the best player available. And clearly naman, right after Cooper, Dylan's the best talent available. If your problem is yung lack of guards, at the end of the day, yung nag-champion, they play a 4-guard lineup. So, that's the trend of the NBA ngayon. So, the Spurs can figure it out, right through the season kung who's gonna be the odd man out. Pero in terms of the value at number 2, I mean, Dylan Harper's the best talent available. So, for me, A+.
Okay. Well, ako personally sa akin, feeling I never liked Dylan Harper's game.
Damn.
Hindi naman sa ano, and he's a good player, pero parang
Yeah, yeah.
Simple lang siya maglaro.
Parang, pero I'm looking at the list of the draftees. I have one name lang. To be fair, I only have like one or two names na pwede mong ma-draft over him. And more likely, if I were to get a draft pick, it would have been VJ Edgecombe.
Like him.
Medyo ano siya,
Yeah.
like, hindi ako, I think lang na his game is very mature. Especially na bata pa lang siya, naglalaro na siya sa national team nila, tapos nakakapagsabay siya. Although I can say na si Cooper Flag ganun din, pero ayun na nga, diba? Kaya niyang sumabay at a very young age. And if you're looking at potential, especially sa Spurs pa, lalo na potential, I feel like VJ has more potential than Dylan. So whether it's a good draft pick or not, siguro mga B. I feel like B is a good grade. So it's either him naman or VJ for me. So, yan. Copy.
I agree. I agree. With Matt and Byron, it's a B for me. I understand getting the best talent available, but at the end of the day, and not to say that Dylan Harper isn't good. He's good. He has a lot of potential, but that's just another mouth to feed in San Antonio. Like, yeah, that's a team that has exemplified. I hope exemplified.
Putik, big words ka na ngayon.
Team basketball for the better part of I think 2 decades. But you have a guy with De'Aaron Fox
Yeah.
who's a shot creator. You have Wemby.
Steph.
You have guys. Yeah, you have guys that they've been developing, like Lajas guy, Devin Vassell, and it just seems like Dylan Harper. Yeah, dude, like, bro, dude, I just been on this guy every year
Naaanin pa rin
since this
ako.
guy has been drafted, man. Like,
Devin Vassell, bro. Bye, kamusta si
so,
Devin Vassell para sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam. Trade na lang din yan. Okay na ako.
but I'm with Matt. In the draft, I really like siguro bias na ako kay Edgecombe. Just to see how he would have fit with the Spurs then, because he's another slasher. The Spurs need a shooter. So that's probably why they got Dylan Harper. But at the end of the day, Dylan Harper isn't catch and shoot. He's a shot creator too. So let's see how it fits na lang with them. It's a B for me.
Okay, iba pa. Kaya feel Sams may comment ba?
No
I agree.
comment.
Yeah.
Sige, no comment ka na
Edgecombe
si
ako
Sams.
dapat number 2 eh. So,
Okay. So, fine. Feel grade.
B.
Ikaw, Sams.
B.
Film yan eh. Film represent. B na yan.
Favorite food niya, chicken
So, kung hindi
adobo.
siya Pilipino, C
Oo,
siya.
nakita ko yung video na yan.
So,
Chicken adobo.
yeah. So if he ain't Filipino, he's a C. Ganun.
Okay, ito. Sixers.
Fuck
Wait.
the Sixers, bro.
Wait
Special,
lang,
this
wait
guy's
lang.
special.
76ers, VJ Edgecombe. Thoughts, please, guys? Thoughts?
He's good.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Sige,
give it a.
Sams.
I'm gonna give it a. Sige, Samson.
Mamaya si Sams,
Ako?
parang ano siya, big fan siya ni VJ.
Yeah, I like him. I think he's dapat ano siya, the Spurs needed him kasi he plays defense. And that's something that the Spurs need, unlike, siguro 1 to 2 kaya niyang bantayan. 3, small ball 3, pwede. But, I saw something sa YouTube yata na parang the NBA needs more, ang pangit pakinggan, but the NBA needs more people who come from the trenches. Kasi like no, for real. Like Anthony Edwards, yung mga ganung type of players. Kasi when entitled players, they don't play hard. You have especially coming from yung NIL, stuff like that. But with VJ Edgecombe, yung mga type nilang player na yun, as you said, parang diba, he lived off a generator. So those are the type of players that teams need. And generally what the league needs. So I'm a big fan of Edgecombe. Yung laro niya, nasabi na ni Matt, started very early. Pero nakikita ko lang, to be honest sa kanya, parang nakikita ko lang si Tony Allen sa kanya na mas magaling. So,
Na may offense.
that's,
Tony
Hustle,
Allen na may
hustle
offense.
player. Hustle player.
mga ganun. So, yun.
Tony
B+.
Allen na may offense. Okay, B+. Yung iba.
I think, well, he's good to develop considering where the Sixers are right now with Embiid's. Embiid's never gonna play
Yeah.
a back-to-back in his life. Paul George isn't getting younger. So I think the only thing that they
Oh,
can focus on
sorry.
right now is
To cut you off. Thank you, Paul George. Siya nagsimula ng lahat ng benefits ko eh. So, thank you, Paul George. Anyway, go Pio.
I think it was a good pick. I think we can all agree on that. The only thing the Sixers can do right now naman kasi is to find a backcourt partner for Tyrese Maxey and then see how it goes from there. What Sam said, this guy plays defense. 34% from three in his 1 year in college. So that's not bad. But for the NBA, if he's gonna be playing the shooting guard, he needs to get better at that. 78% from the line too. That's definitely something to to develop as well. But overall, not a bad pick. A good pick, not a great one.
Problem lang daw sa bola kasi may Jared McCain ka pa.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tama.
So, Adam Bona.
Who?
Who?
Adam Buna.
God damn!
Adam Bona?
Adam
Who
Buna.
the hell is that?
Adam.
What the fuck?
Ay, pero solid yun si Adam Bona. Yung
Kansas City yun,
big.
gag.
Who's that, bro?
Hindi, masipag na big
You gotta
yun.
what?
Masipag na big.
Yeah.
Anyway, ano pa ba? I want to talk about the Hornets pick, si Con Canapol. He's
I like that dude.
He's a
I
good
like that
player, but we haven't seen
I
him.
like that.
I don't know how he's gonna play in the.
Shooter yan, shooter.
Yeah, we don't know how he's gonna play in the NBA. He's said to be a better Kyle Korver, so that's not a good if you're looking for a star, medyo hindi yun yung hinahanap mo. But
Yeah.
for a basketball player, he's okay. I don't want to get into his play just yet. Medyo ang sige, Pio.
I mean, it's the Hornets. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, what the fuck are we talking about? Like, it's the Hornets.
Okay, fair.
Like, it's the Hornets. Like, these like it's what Byron said earlier. Like, these are the teams that need Cooper Flag. Like, no offense to
Tama. I like that.
to Con Canapol. Like, you a good player. Like, 48 ano stats na to? 48, 41 and 48, 41 and 91. Like, that's at a college level, that's pretty insane. But like, these guys don't need another guard. Like, how many guards does this team need? Like, how many wings? Like, you guys have LaMelo, you guys have Brandon Knight, ba?
Brandon Miller.
Brandon Knight.
Brandon Knight? Holy! OG yun ah!
Tagal na nun ah.
Sorry. Brandon, yeah.
Miller, Miles Bridges.
You guys have, yeah, Miles Bridges, you guys have Brandon Miller. So, like, I don't see, well, they're probably picking for talent, but I don't see how it fits. Again, like, the NBA needs to do something about this, bro. Like, yeah, they got another shooter, but like, Charlotte, come on, like, how many lottery picks does this team need? Like, for them to take that step?
So, okay, next na tayo dyan. Ay, sige, go.
Wait lang. Sige, to give justice sa pick ng Hornets. Ako personally, I like Con Canapol. For my Spurs, if they stayed at the 8, yun yung gusto ko nilang makuha.
That's a good fit for the
It's a good
Yeah,
shooter.
Yeah.
Pero ganito, if I was picking at 4th, I would have had them gotten Trey Johnson. Ace Bailey, may controversy kasi siya. He didn't want to go sa Hornets or reportedly. Pero in terms of yung rationale ng Hornets, I saw how Conkinipul plays sa mga highlights niya. He's like one of the most mature players and he's one of the smartest players among the top 10 draft picks. And sa totoo lang, I think the Hornets, ako for me lang, I think it's a great pick for the Hornets kasi what the Hornets need is mature players and Continental provides that. And ayun nga, he's not like a superstar type of player. You would say he's a system player, pero he gets the job done. And that's all that matters. So I would have to justify yung pick nila. And I think it was a really great pick for them.
Mm.
Valid.
Okay. Jazz, Ace Bailey.
I don't like Ace Bailey.
I don't like this
He's
guy.
good. I don't like Ace Bailey.
He's the one who didn't want to play for the Jazz too, right?
Yeah.
I see him na he has an attitude problem.
Oh.
That's what I see.
Grabe na.
Attitude.
Phil, okay ka lang?
Hindi kami mga interviews niya, parang masyado
That's
siya,
true.
he's
He's too comfy.
he's too comfy, he's too high on himself. He's still a rookie, hasn't proved anything in NBA. I don't care. Go be an all-star in college, but he hasn't stepped foot in NBA.
True.
Grabe naman si Lawyer. Pero hindi they had a matchup a while ago ba yun? Yesterday. Utah and Philadelphia.
I think that was
Yeah.
yesterday.
VJ and Ace.
Parang
What
kanina
he
lang
have?
ata.
He had like 9 points or something
8
against
points.
against
Si
VJ's
Edgecomb
28.
naka 28 ata eh.
Yeah.
Edgecomb went
I
wild.
mean, hey, if you're playing for a team that you don't like you're gonna get 8 points. Like,
I mean, ewan ko kung he's okay. Ito yung ayoko kay Ace at saka kay Dylan eh. They're top 5 from the draft of their class. And yung college nila hindi winning
Team.
hindi
Yung
winning team.
Rutgers.
Tama.
Yeah.
Hindi winning team. And you expect kung may ganong klaseng players kayo on the team. I know it's a team game, pero you have two of the top 5 NBA caliber players and your team isn't winning. I don't expect them to perform that well. I don't expect them to be that high up there pagdating sa NBA unless they prove themselves. Kasi, that's why I don't like Ace also. Kasi ang taas ng tingin sa sarili niya, kala mo naman may napatunayan na siya sa college.
Tama.
College nga wala siya
Tama.
napatunayan eh. NBA pa kaya. So, I don't know. Sige, sabi nga ni Phil, may attitude problem. So, whatever. Let's get past
go
that.
by.
Actually, yung nga, si Byron.
Meaning ko si Cooper Flag ko na nakita maglaro. Sa lahat na iba wala talaga akong alam. But
Huwag
based
natin
naman
pag-asapan si
nakita ko
Byron.
ng reports, I keep seeing reports na ayaw nila sa team to, like iniiwasan na mag-workout. That's just what I don't like the most about this draft class.
Yes.
Parang ginagawa nila 2 weeks. I really don't like it. There used to be a time where just getting in the NBA is the biggest achievement for the players. And now, parang sabi nga ni Sams kanina, yung mga kulang is from the trenches. I want to see that the hunger that they play with, that lahat talaga nagawa nila sa buhay led to this point. That's what I want to see back in the NBA.
Okay.
So, to add, sorry, Matt.
Yeah.
Magalit sa akin.
Tangina
To
mo.
add.
Hindi, joke lang.
Sorry.
Go lang.
Like, to like the draft prospects, like, like Ace Bailey, like, like, this is what the draft is, bro. You're gonna go to, like, you're gonna go to a shit team. Like, you're there to make
To save
that
a
team.
franchise.
Yeah, you're there to save a franchise. Like, if you guys watch yung Game of Zones dati, di ba, parang they made the whole bit nung si Zion in the draft, like, parang like, I think it was yung character ni LeBron, sinabi niya na, like, this is what these teams wait for the entire year. Totoo yun. Like, this is what the other teams have. Kasi nga, they're small market. Like, Utah is a small market, guys. Like, all their success, both past and near past, has all been because of the draft. Like, if you guys are expecting to be like a good player parang in a contender, dude, the only player that got drafted like that is Cooper Flag. Like, siya lang yung masasabi ko na, like, if right now his team, they can make the playoffs, and he can be like a big reason towards that. The rest in there, you guys are all gonna develop like you guys are siguro hindi kayo mag-playoffs 3 to 5 years minimum. Minimum. Like
Yeah.
you made the NBA, bro. Like that's the best league in the world. Like
Just be
get
happy.
off your shit. Get
Be
off your
happy you
shit.
got there. Everyone
Yeah.
else
Yung
would
malala
die for
din
a
kay
spot.
Ace Billy. Yung malala rin kay Ace Billy is na-affect yung ano niya, yung contract niya. Kasi from going significant yung makuha niyang salary if he was the third pick. He's considered the third best prospect eh.
Yeah.
And ayun, na-affect yung ano niya. Well, you could say na salary for these guys, it really doesn't matter right now. Pero it's one of the aspects rin. Ayun. It affected his stock. Tapos ayun, he got drafted later than he should have been drafted.
Yeah. Di ba, top 3 siya, no? Top 3.
Mm.
Baka nga top 2 eh.
Dapat nga,
Talent-wise.
he was spaced to drop nga top, sa 8 eh.
Top. No.
Sige.
Danny
Anyway,
Ainge.
Wizards, Trey Johnson. Actually, after
I
nito,
like
medyo we'll just run past through it with grades. Pero, Trey Johnson,
That's
Walking back.
Yeah.
yeah, and
Points guard
Washington.
yan. Points guard.
It's a B.
okay lang. I mean, pinakawalan naman nila si Jordan Poole to get.
Sana
Yeah, but
naman
like,
he's not like a Jordan Poole also. Parang ganun.
So actually, sana nga hindi siya ganun. Pero maganda shooting
Oo.
percentage niya. He's a good
I mean, hey, if he has CJ McCollum as his vet, that shot selection I think won't be a problem
true.
with this guy.
True.
Isn't CJ McCollum also a ball hog though?
Yeah, he is.
That's
No,
why.
pero, yeah, but like, kaysa naman si Jordan Poole.
Yeah.
Fair.
Hey, CJ is an all-star. He used to be
Used to be an all-star.
1 point.
Fair enough.
At one point.
Tama. Mhm.
Okay, anyway.
Not bad.
Next, Zero Fears, Jeremiah Fears of the Pelicans.
I like this guy. Okay siya.
Bakit? Sa pangalan, tsaka sa jersey.
Yeah, I like his name. That's it though.
I like his.
Patay
Pati
tayo
si Con
dyan.
ko na pala actually, ang angas kaya ng pangalan niya.
Oh, pare. Kakaiba no?
Con,
Okay.
bro.
Kasi ito Zero Fears.
Top
Actually, ang
5
angas na,
talent.
Angas na, no? Actually, di ko alam yung game niya eh. Like, di masyado. Pero ang angas kasi ng pangalan niya. Ang ganda ng pangalan niya. Anyway, move on. Igor Denim from
Number
the
8,
Mets.
who? I don't know who this guy is.
Who? Out of
Yes.
respect. Pero who?
Miss.
Yeah.
That's a miss.
I don't
Ang
know.
malala, meron silang 5 first round picks. Ang masasabi ko, lahat yun misses. What are the
Pero
Brooklyn Nets
pare,
doing?
let's do the Russian, ha?
Nets, Ben Sal. Putang ina. Okay.
6-year contract with Real
Call-
Madrid. Okay.
Raptors, Colin Murray Boyles.
I don't know who this guy is.
Out of
Don't
respect, I don't know you. Oy, dog.
I don't know.
He's he's a mature draft prospect, I'll say. Like he's a sophomore.
I don't get what
He's a
Raptors are
scorer.
doing.
Wala, dude.
To be
Uh,
completely
yan-
honest, di ko
yan talaga-
nagigets.
Ang rebuild. Yan talaga. Yan
Ano
talaga
nila?
rebuild, pre.
He
Yan
left
talaga
na to eh.
rebuild. Like, yo, Masai.
Ano nila?
Yeah.
Oh.
They got si Masai
Yeah,
Ujiri.
he's gone. He left na after.
Colin Murray Boyles. Undersized, big
Yo.
laro niya 6'7".
Yeah,
Kawawa
yeah,
na
I
that's
lang.
big
wanted
shit.
them to draft
Toronto,
si
gotta wake
Watt
up.
or anyone bigger.
Natatawa ko kay Phil. Nakakainis. Okay, anyway,
You know how-
ano ba? Come on, Malwa.
Yan, ito.
I like him.
I'm a
I like
fan.
him. I like him.
I am a
like
fan,
him.
pare.
Di ba siya yung
I
sumuko
like
sa
him.
court?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
That's how you,
No, but-
that's how you know he works
No, but-
hard. That's how
but
you know he
I
works
must say,
hard.
This dude,
Lasing
pare,
daw siya dun eh.
blocking machine.
Inom daw siya eh.
yeah,
Blocking machine to.
I'll say he's going to the Suns kasama siya dun sa KD trade, which we'll talk about later. The Suns need a big man ever since Aiton left. And if this guy is the big man,
Okay, to, I like it.
he's shown flashes naman. Yun nga, like what Phil said, he's a solid shot blocker, which the Suns need on defense. He averaged close to like 9 points a game. Which is good considering the Suns have like three ball hog shooting guards. They don't need a big that can like ano yun, like that demands the ball. So I see him being like a poor man's Ben Wallace.
Ang hindi ko
Maybe.
lang
Maybe.
magets. After the Suns drafted Malowat, nag-trade pa sila for Marvin Williams. Ay, Mark Williams.
Ay,
Mark Williams.
lumalabas na rin edad mo eh. Lumalabas na rin
Sorry,
edad mo
sorry.
eh.
Sorry po.
Marvin, ayan.
Nah, but
Yan yung mga sinasabi niyo, yan yung mga sinasabi ni Sams na na from the that attitude.
Yeah.
From the
From
what?
From the what, Sams? So anong klaseng attitude?
From the what?
hey,
Bro, yun talaga yung sabi sa YouTube video, from the trenches. I'm not saying that out of
From the
disrespect.
but I think the Mark Williams move, that's probably just the thing to make Booker happy. Like, dude, Devin Booker, like, shout out to that guy.
Siya na lang yung natitira sa draft class niya na sa team pa rin na nag-draft sa kanya.
Oh, wow.
I think he's one of the only people left from their finals run. If hindi ako nagkakamali.
Wild yun.
Back in 21, I think siya na lang yung natira. Lahat wala, pati coach. Like, this guy's going through it, bro. Like, tatlo ko yung shooting guard, then dude, you have Jalen Green who doesn't pass, Bradley Beal who doesn't pass.
Pare, lahat ng shooter, pinagsama.
Hindi shooter, bro. Lahat ng bakaw, dude. Like, team mo na nga, hindi pa sa'yo bola.
Okay, anyway,
I hope
hindi
this
ko na
pick is
pag-usap-
good for you, bro.
Yeah. Hindi ko na pag-uusapan yung ibang draft picks kasi mawalan tayo ng sabihin. So, to all the draftees, congrats.
No, wait. I'd like to, intermission lang, number 20.
Yun yung number
Si
20.
Si Kaspar. Oh yeah, I like
Bro,
him.
that guy is gonna be special. I'm telling you guys. Luka siya Luka na nakakatakbo. So I'm big fan of that guy. Miami, steal na naman. Whoever's drafting for Miami, respect sa'yo. Ang galing mo mag-draft.
Actually, I
Actually,
like him.
Masasabi ko,
I've seen his
Goran.
game.
yeah, I was gonna say, I agree. He's like Goran Dragic.
Goran Dragic. Parang mas Goran Dragic.
Uy, pwede yun.
I don't think, parang mixture siya ni Luka at ni Goran, I feel like.
Ito na lang, guys, to end the draft convo. Kasi nga, hindi tayo, Aside from Cooper Flag, who are you most excited for? Yun na lang.
If given
Kasi
minutes,
para
ako if given minutes, si Walter Clayton. Yung sa from Florida, the point
Good
guard.
player.
Or him or
Champion.
VJ. Him or VJ, for sure.
Watch out, number 13th draft pick si Derek Queen. I think he's one of the best
Derek
big
Queen?
mans out there. Oh, Derek Queen. Ay, hindi. Nasa ano na pala siya. Sa Pelicans na pala siya.
Pelican.
Yeah.
Pelicans.
Pero I would say, yung offensive bag niya, very comparable kay, I think mas fluid siya kay Sengun. Pero may guard skills. So, drafty to watch sa season.
Ako, I got, for me, Cavs got a big steal. Tyrese Proctor. I don't know how he's in round 2. Pero, I find him so good
He's
nasa
from
Duke pa
Duke.
siya. Oh.
Yeah.
Before Cooper Flag, yung season before Cooper Flag, he was leading Duke, with all the points. Kaya feel ko kaya to maging...
Grabe naman siya. Mag-isa lang siya, no? Nakakascore siya ng lahat ng points ng Duke. Galing mo naman, Phil.
Pero basta yun, Tyrese Proctor, I see him as a star. Kaya niya, konti.
Si Byron, may masasabi ka ba, Bay?
Chinese dude.
Yang Hansen!
Yes.
Yang!
Damn!
Yes.
Big
Surprise siya. I like
Chinese
how he
dude.
plays. Pero for
Dude.
16,
Wala na si wala na si Ayton, wala na si Anthony Simons.
Yeah, but they still have like 5 bigs on that
Sigman.
team.
Hey, they got Drew
Ito si Young
Holiday.
Hansen, pare. The next Zuki. Yun ang masasabi ko.
Bro, si Gian Lian, bro.
Yo, you mean Zoo Chief?
Zuchi,
Zu-
whatever. Whatever, man. Basta yun.
Zuki.
Zuki.
Zuki, whatever.
Ano yung kotse? Suzuki.
Clip that. I don't care. Clip that, whatever. Basta yun. The next Zuchi yan, pare.
Zuki ang putik.
Zuki.
Kung nakapasok si Young Hansen, para si Pinoy, si Kai Soto. Malapit na rin.
Palayo tayo ng palayo, Phil. Palayo ng palayo, Phil.
Zuki.
Jokes aside, ito si Young Hansen, may passing to, first center. Passing to. Ano sabi ko?
Okay.
Yan.
Tatawa ako sa'yo. Kakirita. Ano pa ba? Mga unlucky sa draft, siguro Rockets, which is why, yes, ayan, nakita niya. Which is why, sa off-season, they made other moves. Which is
Speaking
our next
of
topic. Yes, speaking of,
Grabe.
ang isa sa mga unang moves na nakita natin this off-season was Kevin Durant going to the Houston Rockets for Jalen Green. Can someone look up yung trade package nun kasi hindi ko
Hey, yo,
for
shout out
Jalen
to-
Green. Ay,
shout out to KD. That guy announced that he was gonna get traded the day of the Game 7 of the NBA Finals. What a guy.
Mga ganun
Huh?
mga trades. Ang aga.
Yeah nga.
Oo nga, di ba? Ang aga, for some
They-
reason.
I think it's because of yung second apron, yung sinasabi nila. Like gusto nila mas
Kung gaano
maagang
ka-boring
mawala.
Hindi
finals.
ata. Si
Ano
Desmond
ba?
Bain.
Ano ba? Ano yan?
Hey,
Ano
the
ba?
finals were boring, bro. You can't
Ano
deny
yan? Ano
that.
yan? No, fuck you. It wasn't
You can't
boring for
deny
me.
that.
I don't care. It was not boring for me. We
Good
won
for
that
the
shit.
league.
Thank you, Lige.
Bad for
Okay. Oh,
viewership,
fuck you.
pero
Fuck
good
you.
for the league.
Oh, yes. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
Ito
you.
yun.
Thank you.
Ito yun.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
The-
So, yung
The
trade
trade
package,
package was
Wait, for
the trade package. Sorry, go.
Hindi.
Sige lang.
Before mo sabihin, actually, yung full trade details, it's gonna be a 7-team deal.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just to let you guys know. Ano siya, record-breaking. Pero,
Lige bomb.
I just wanna let you know. Lige pa.
Lige bomb.
guys, magkakaroon tayo
Like,
ng bagong segment sa Instagram. Yun yung pangalan.
Lige bomb.
So,
Ang
pag may mga
Twitter-
bagong acquisitions o trades, si Lige mag-a-announce nun. Anyway, go ahead.
Ano lang, Lige attack.
Ano?
Anyways,
Like,
the
full,
full-
yun
the full trade details are the Rockets are getting Kevin Durant and the Suns are getting Jalen Green, Dylan Brooks, the number 10 overall draft pick, which turned to be Kaman Malawak, the 59th overall draft pick, which turned out to be Jamal Mashak, 2 second-round picks for the next draft, a second-round pick in the 2030 draft, and the second-round pick in the 2032 draft. Yeah,
Picks, ah.
yeah.
Okay, so first of all, thoughts on how it can benefit, how the trade can benefit the Phoenix Suns.
Bye, go muna.
Ken.
Sabay muna.
Kent.
Wala. Wala rin.
Kent. Wala.
Durog.
Ano siya? It's the beginning of blowing up the team. At least,
Oo.
pala mo na. That's basically what it is.
rebuilding phase.
Rebuilding
Kasi
phase.
naman din nila pa-trade si KD na eventually
instead of
retired.
getting nothing,
At least they got the value for him.
instead of getting nothing, they got something out of it.
Although, ang trinade nila for Kevin Durant though, Bridges, Cam Johnson, tapos 4 first-round picks. Tapos ito lang nakuha nila.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair. Okay. Let's talk about the Hornets, the Rockets though.
The Rockets.
Other than
Contenders,
getting
no?
KD, they were able to get BFS.
Capela.
And
No,
they
no.
got
Dennis
Dorian
Capela back.
Prince, DFS. They got
Right.
DFS.
So,
Tas they let us come with more, di ba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they did.
No.
so,
I
Sino
think,
pa ba nakuha nila?
Dorian Finney-Smith.
I think
Ano ba?
thoughts nyo guys, thoughts nyo.
yung greatest,
Well,
I don't want to
sorry.
speak because I don't like KD. So,
Bro,
y'all can speak
come on,
for...
it's it.
No, fuck you.
And yan.
No. I hold grudges. Go.
Hey, for the Rockets, that's the second best team. Standings wise, second best team in the West. Getting KD older, but it's still KD.
With
Yun
KD.
nga lang, I think they kinda how they say yung parang they kinda gave up the farm to get Kevin Durant. Like we don't know what it's gonna be in the near future, diba? Pero that's a lot of draft picks. Um, they went from being one of the younger teams in the NBA to having quite a mature one. They have Fred VanVleet, yun nga, Capella's back. They have
Steven
Sengun,
Adams.
Steven Adams, like what Phil said, Dorian Finney-Smith. It's gonna benefit them for sure. Now, I don't know why bigla silang naging parang win now. Kasi essentially with KD, you're getting him for like 2, maybe 3 years if you're
Yeah.
lucky. 2, 3 years if you're lucky. If you're lucky. So, let's see na lang. Pero I think this is gonna with the way the West is right now, at least second round sila, in my opinion. At least.
Okay. Bye.
Malaking bagay siya for the Rockets kasi I think they lost to the Warriors just because Jalen Green was inconsistent. If he produced those 20 points the whole series, I feel like they would have won. They had no one to go to. They went to Sengun. But I don't think that's Sengun's game. Na siya yung go-to guy. Nasa kanya parati yung bola. They're gonna struggle with that, especially since Draymond pa yung bantay niya. They had no one else to turn to. So adding KD, it's not even gonna be like it's KD's team. It's just a plug and play. Lalagyan mo talaga si KD on a team that already has a system. So I feel like it benefits both parties, especially KD nga. I think it benefits KD more than the Rockets.
Yeah.
Go, Sams.
Ako masaya lang ako para sa taong na-predict ko. If you guys go back to our previous episodes ng draft, big believer ako ng Thompson twins. So I'm finally happy na si Amen Thompson is gonna have a good mentor that will develop him, because I think that guy is gonna be a star probably in the next season.
He already is.
I mean, yeah, but siguro sana mag-all-star siya. I really believe in him.
Galing nga yung
So,
twin.
sana lumipat na. So,
Ano?
happy for Amen. I don't care for KD. Kay Amen lang ang sabi ko.
Kay Amen lang.
Okay ah.
FK.
I don't care. Kay Amen lang.
Ikaw, Lige.
Ako yung probably the most significant move na ginawa ng Rockets. For me lang was resigning Steven Adams.
Agree.
I like yung signing kay Capella, pero they're probably gonna figure out kung sino yung magiging second string big man nila.
Oo.
Pero I just really like I think in terms of sino talaga yung best veteran nila, it's Steven Adams kasi he's like those type of players talaga na you want if you want to contend for a championship. And I think that's a very vital. And I think that was a great signing na resign nila si Steven Adams. And apart from that, getting KD, ayun nga, just as Byron mentioned, yung plug and play. They don't really have to adjust. It's just that it's really more of addition by subtraction in terms of them getting rid of Jalen Green.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Tapos you got KD out of it pa.
Nagulat din ako sa turf.
Yeah, dude. I was
Damn.
like, damn, what the fuck,
Ano,
Lige?
Diba?
Damn, Lige. Yo,
Balik ka na talaga.
speaking of player development, I think KD going to the Rockets is going to be significant in also for Jabari Smith. How
Oo
he
nga pala.
Idol-
like how
Isa pa yun.
like how he's gonna,
Gotta
yun nga,
forget.
like NBA players talk about the vets, how it helped them train, and I think KD is probably gonna teach this guy how to do it. Like they're not medyo the same naman sila, like 6'10" guard skills, but KD's gonna, I think he's gonna unlock something with Jabari. Hopefully, because like what Sam said, I remember the episode when we talked about that draft class, and I said that Jabari Smith would have been one of the best players in that draft. Still believe it. Yun. Still believe it naman.
Ako, I don't like Jabari Smith, or at least prior to last year. Pero now that they have KD, the one player talaga that would benefit was Jabari Smith. And now, ayun nga, I'm looking forward kung ano yung may improve ni Jabari Smith with KD as his mentor.
Yeah, okay. Next up on the list, Dallas. We spoke about them getting Cooper Flag. For now that Kyrie's injured, they acquired D'Angelo Russell. To me, a few years ago, this would have been good. Actually, yung buong lineup ng Dallas, to me, a few years ago would have been great.
Yeah.
Pero,
Years before.
I don't know. Kasi D'Angelo has shown how inconsistent he can be, how he's a liability on defense. So, although marami silang malalaki sila. So, medyo advantage yun sa defense sa kanila. Pero I mean, having your point guard being a disadvantage on defense, already, not saying that Kyrie is that bad of a defender, pero yung isa mong point guard, ganun din. Medyo mahirap yung matchup problem na yun pagdating sa, like in the future. Kayo ba, what are your thoughts on the acquisition of D'Angelo Russell?
Tyus Jones sana yung kinuha nila.
This is just
Tyus Jones?
Tyus Jones?
this is
For me
Solid
lang.
Where is he now? Nasaan si Tyus?
Isn't he in Phoenix?
Wait lang. Nag-sign siya sa ibang team eh.
Oo, nakita ko sa center.
Fuck, I forgot where he went. Pero anyway, sige, D'Angelo tayo, wala tayo kay Tyus.
this is like the 2024 Lakers just in different uniforms, bro. They have D'Lo at point guard. They have the equivalent of Austin Reeves in Klay Thompson, who's like
Fuck,
probably
bro.
their best.
That's disrespect to AR, bro.
That's the like. I mean, in terms of like the role, in terms of role, like this is probably like their best perimeter defender. Ganun, like just like AR. I'm not saying that Cooper Flag is going to be what LeBron James is, but in terms of role, that's exactly what he is to this team. Like for the first, yun nga, how many months that Kyrie's gone, Cooper Flag's gonna be that guy for them. They have AD at the 4, and then they have the equivalent of Rui Hachimura just in Daniel Gafford. So
Damn.
These comparisons are
bro.
crazy,
Why not do, bro?
so no, but like
Come on, man. Holy.
no, but I mean it's good, but it's not great. Kasi nga Dallas has always said that they're going to like win now sila eh. Ever since they traded Luka, win now sila. Yung next 2 to 3 year window. Pero your point guard is your most important player right now eh. For you to have D'Lo, tapos pagbalik ni Kyrie, si Kyrie na ulit, that's not gonna do anything for your offense. Especially the way that Jason Kidd runs his offense, which is motion sila, setup. Having just that with D'Lo. Tsaka yung scoring load na mapupunta kay D'Lo, napakalaki. Like Kyrie was their best scorer, their best player last season. And it's just not gonna do it for the Mavs, bro.
Kayo,
Afford ba nila si Dame? Can they
Afford
afford
nila. Hindi nila kaya yung timeline. Pero afford nila.
Hindi nila afford yun. Paano mo
Hindi nila afford. Masyado malaki, pare. They got cooked na eh.
They have Cooper Flag,
No,
they
but
have
for
Anthony
rookie, bro.
Davis, they have Klay
No,
Thompson, they have
I think afford nila.
afford na lang, afford na lang.
Feeling ko afford nila.
Go for Dame. They should go for Dame. I think.
medyo, wow,
If
damn.
let's say, ay, di ako sure ah. Di ako sure. Siguro sign and trade. Ay, tangina, wala na nga pala siyang team.
Ano yun, bay?
I don't think hihingi siya naman ng contract. Binabayaran pa rin siya ng Bucks. Kung hindi
Yeah.
naman niya kailangan.
Oh,
Wala.
you,
That's
you
the-
never know now these days, you know. Hindi mo
Parang
alam.
DeMarcus Cousins.
Ano, puro
Yeah,
mga minimum. Puro mga vet
Oh.
minimum.
Gago!
For the next 5
Ang laki
years.
ng wave.
Actually, oh,
Dude, ang
ano,
laki ng wave, ah. Ang laki ng wave kay Dame, ah.
Speaking of,
Malaki
ayan,
talaga.
So, pasa tayo sa Mavs. I don't know how they're gonna do this, pero let's see. Hindi pa nagsisimula yung season. Anyway, another big breaking news this offseason was Miles Turner signing with Milwaukee after being the starting center for Indiana,
What
a
the fuck
team that
yun?
made the finals, as well as Milwaukee waiving Dame Lillard to sign Miles Turner, who is not young, by the way. Who is not a young star, by the way. How old is Miles
That was
Turner?
Indiana got Jay Huff.
Pakailan naman natin.
I don't know, man.
Miles Turner is
Starting center
29.
yan, Jay Huff.
Miles Turner is 29. He's not that old, but he's also not that young anymore. So,
What's he gonna do in the
Diba,
Bucks?
every transaction may parang projected starting five yung
Yeah.
graphic. Yung sa
Saan na
Bucks
sino
lang
lalagay nila sa
Yeah.
center, pare? Yun ang tanong ko eh. Sino lalagay nila sa center sa Pacers?
Parang lang siyang Brook Lopez na like a
He's a
dark.
young Brook. He's a young Brook Lopez. That's it.
Yeah.
Pero
Lalagay ng Pacers center. Yun ang talaga.
Wait, sino pa pinapag-usapan natin? Pacers or
yeah, we're
Bucks?
talking about the Pacers or the Bucks.
Sorry,
we're
Bucks.
talking about the Bucks.
Never
Okay.
mind.
Ako, I like the Miles Turner signing naman. Ang hindi ko
Oh, yeah.
mag-gets, pucha, bakit nila winave si...
Yo,
Right. Yeah.
Kasi hindi
Speaking of,
kasi di ata
yun,
nila
sinayin
afford.
pa nila si
Hindi nila afford.
si Thanasis.
Yeah, kailangan to yata. para
Kailangan
sa
nilang
size.
i-wave yun kasi
Okay,
hindi nila
deal.
afford.
They needed to wave Miles. Dame.
They
for
needed
Miles.
to wave Dame to get Miles. Ang problema, bakit?
wait lang,
Was it
Why do they need
was it
Miles?
worth it? Was it worth it?
Yeah, they don't need Miles.
wait lang, may sinabi si Phil eh. Sino pa sinayin nila?
Pare, si Thanasis, nabuhay!
Gagi. Si
Shut
Thanasis, nag-sign
Shut
sa
up.
Bucks. Pero
Oh.
nag-decline yung Bucks sa kanya.
Wala pa eh. Gusto niyo ano.
Shut up. Huwag natin mag-usapan yung
Ay,
Thanasis.
Wawa
Ano
na
yun?
Milwaukee.
I don't get it. For the parang
Brook Lopez signed with the Clippers.
Clippers. Yo, no.
I mean
So they
letting
got
go
a
of
younger
Brook.
Brook Lopez.
Technically.
But they got a young Brook Lopez for
Yeah.
Damian Lillard.
That's crazy, bro. In any time, kahit injured si Dame, that's crazy.
Like,
Okay na.
Achilles,
Alam-
bro. And he's
yeah.
35.
Seryoso?
No,
Damn,
Eh,
bro.
I get the rationale, like for sure. But ano yun, nakita niyo yung report na yun? The moment na winave si Dame, sinabi parang galit daw si Giannis, like hindi daw siya informed. Tapos may report na lumabas, like, I think 2-3 days later, that Giannis knew that Dame was gonna get waived. So, Giannis capping, bro. Like, Giannis capping, bro.
What else did the
But-
Bucks get?
But I think
Sabi
they
nga,
needed,
Chris Paul, di ba? Papalit si
Huh?
Chris.
I don't know.
Chris Paul?
But
Yeah,
The Bucks are eyeing Chris Paul.
yeah.
that would have been good like 4 years ago.
Actually,
Ito,
bro,
update
pwede
nila.
pa ngayon. Pwede pa ngayon. Kung taga-pasa lang kay, kailangan lang nila
Yeah.
mag...
Hindi nga yun yung kalangan ng Bucks.
That's
Kasi
not
ang
what they
kalangan-
need, though.
Ang
What do
kalangan,
they need? Yeah.
ang kalangan
What do they
ni
need?
Hindi kasi ang kalangan ni Giannis katulong sa scoring load.
Yes.
So, what type of player, what
Ever
type of
since-
players are available?
Ever since ang kalangan niya katulong sa scoring load. Kaya hindi ko magets kung bakit they preferred Miles Turner over Dame. They could have
Ito,
they
yeah.
could have kept
Wala,
Dame
alam ko na.
and then signed a big.
Ito. If the plan really was to waive Dame, it's fine. But I don't think the move was to get Miles Turner.
Shit's crazy.
Like,
Tama. Tama.
I don't think you should have waived. Waiving Dame is okay, but you get in return mo is Miles Turner. That's wild. That's wild.
Hindi ko talaga nagigets yung
Like, no matter
That's
what,
wild.
hindi ko maintindihan kung ba't nila trinig si Dame.
So, addition sila. Vasily Misic, Miles Turner, and Gary Harris.
I like that guy.
Oh,
Yung point guard ng
Vasily
Serbian, di ba?
Misic?
Oh,
Vasily Misic.
Oh,
Alam
yun
mo,
yung
kasi
ano,
yun eh. Oh.
yung
si
pantay ni
Misic yung
Curry.
gusto mo?
No, si
I mean,
Vasily.
magaling naman si Misic.
Eh,
Yeah.
basta
Pero,
for the Bucks, if I'm Giannis, I'd really just push for the trade. Like, it doesn't seem like the organization is going to be competent or
Yeah.
anything. Like,
Dave,
This shit honestly just doesn't make sense to me whatsoever. So,
Si Kevin Porter Jr. na magiging starting point guard.
pero again,
Puta.
maraming nagsasabi na kasalanan to daw ng bagong CBA. Like, this is yung in effect. So, kasalanan talaga to ni CJ McCollum. So, yun.
so okay,
The president, di ba?
we're gonna be talking about two more transactions before this episode ends. Let's just run through them as we can talk about it as
We
much as
didn't talk
possible.
about the Pacers yet though.
Actually, 3. I don't
Sobrang
alam mo,
dami. Sobrang daming trades.
yung sa
Yeah.
Pacers, we can talk about them if they make moves na lang. Kasi I doubt they don't make moves after losing Miles Turner. Right now, I don't see anything else na makakatulong sa kanila. Kaya I don't know what to talk about when it comes to the Pacers. Kasi they just lost their starting big man. Although marami
lost
silang
their-
marami silang masisipag na player. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung anong pwede nilang gawin given yung mga available players. So, matagal pa naman yung off-season. We can check them out as we go. Pero ngayon wala talaga akong
I think
maisip.
they're tanking.
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
they're probably tanking.
Wala pa si Haliburton.
Yeah,
Diba?
this year.
This season.
Their players, their best players, Pascal.
Yes,
Probably.
I think ideal naman for Pacers to tank.
Yeah,
So
it is naman.
I don't think all the players will like that though. They'll probably
course.
lose more players because of that.
Yeah,
Kasi
dude, kasi
kakagaling na nila ng
kakagaling na nila
finals
sa
eh.
They just came
Championship,
from the finals.
diba?
Yeah, they just
Oo.
came from the finals.
So, di
Nakaka-
natin alam. Uh, isa pang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Actually, 3 pala to. Lonzo. Any thoughts? Lonzo to the Cavs.
I like it.
I like it.
For the Cavs.
I think I like it for the Cavs kasi it will help defensively lalo na kay Darius Garland kasi
Tama.
pagkalaman mo ng defense ang guard position, Lonzo can help. Although I wish na maging healthy lang sa buong season. Sana. Kasi that's been his problem.
It's good for the Cavs. They didn't lose anyone. From what I remember, wala naman silang relevant na nawala.
Oo,
So they're
for
still
me,
gonna...
For me, I don't know why they removed Ty Jerome lang. Nasa sayang now.
They signed
Sayang.
Sam Merrill.
O yun, Samuel, 4-year deal. I don't know. Oy.
Sam Merrill 4-year deal and they didn't want to pay Ty
I
Jerome.
don't know.
I don't know.
Kaya
I
si Ty
don't-
Jerome,
I don't-
man. They could have kept him over Sam Merrill.
Tapos
I don't know.
ang isa pang signing na gusto kong pag-usapan was DeAndre Ayton to the Lakers.
Yes.
Let's go, LA!
I've been advocating for that for like fucking 2
I don't
years.
like
Si
it.
Turner, gusto ko rin sana
I
si
feel like
Turner.
it's useless. I feel like it's
It's overrated.
useless.
Healthy,
It's-
keep him healthy pa.
It's overrated.
Ang masasabi ko
overrated.
lang is I don't like it because of the Lakers. Kasi kahit sinong kunin ng Lakers, they're so freaking ungrateful. Yun lang ang masasabi ko.
Ako hindi eh.
Yeah.
Feeling ko they just got at this version of DeAndre Ayton. I feel like they just got a taller Jackson Hayes.
Come on,
And-
bro.
Damn,
And,
bro.
and a less
Pare.
at saka less na masipag na Jackson Hayes.
Hindi naman ganun.
I think...
Okay, without
I think
Agree ako kay
Phil
Matt.
without Phil and Sam's bias to the Lakers, have you seen how
No, I think
that number 1 pick has been playing ever since they got
Oh, yeah, I understand.
I'm with Matt on that one. Like I think
Underwhelming si Eton.
yun nga. Like the whole like Lakers need a center has been a joke for like 5 years now. So they got their center, but like I think people are trying to. Dude, it's Ayton. Like he's a lob threat. That's
Yes.
it. That's it.
Jackson Hayes is
Jackson
also
Hayes
a
is a lob threat.
Jackson Hayes is
Like,
a lab threat.
They
You just got
they
a taller
didn't do
version of Jackson Hayes.
you guys didn't do anything to the Lakers. They just added a body. Like
Yeah, but
Ja-
that's all we need, bro. That's all we need.
Tama. All we
DeAndre
need.
Ayton has never been like spectacular on defense. Like I remember we talked about
I
this.
think we're not gonna play defense next season, bro. Given
We-
him,
we-
there's no
we-
in the Lakers that
You
can
should.
defend.
No, we
Well, you
talked
should
about
start.
this.
You should start to.
We talked about this like 4 seasons ago on the same podcast. It was me and Byron talking about yung finals ng Suns at saka Bucks. And I remember one of the things that we said na parang yung DeAndre Ayton is outmatched in terms of defending the paint. Like, syempre, it's against Giannis, pero like it's like he was not there. Like, like nothing would have changed there. So the Lakers adding him, well, that's just another lob threat. And all
Alam mo,
their other centers are lob threats.
Alam mo may sasabihin pa ako dyan, pero unahin ko na. Si Byron, anong masasabi mo? Bago tayo pumunta sa mga Lakers fans dyan.
Okay naman si Ayton if it was like 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago. But yung pinaka-race talaga ni Ayton, the one in Portland, yung time he spent with KD sa Suns, that Ayton was very underwhelming. Parang very disengaged. And I don't think magbabago yung energy niya sa Lakers, especially with 3
LeBron.
ball dominant players. He's gonna be the
Right.
fourth option. I don't think he's gonna have feel ko magkakaroon issues. Especially with Ayton.
Okay, Lakers fans, ano nang masasabi niyo?
Ako masaya lang ako na meron kaming big man. Yun lang. Pero it's not the guy I wanted. Yung gusto ko sana yung mga Khalil Ware, like Jeremy Grant, yung mga ganung type players.
Jeremy Grant.
Jeremy Grant.
Isn't
Yeah, we need that kind of guy, bro.
6'7"?
Isn't he a
Yeah, but
four?
He's like, ano lang
Yeah,
yun, isa pang version lang ni Vando yun na may offense.
Come on, bro. Oh.
Give me a Nas Reed.
As
Nas Reed.
Nas Reed?
Jeremy Grant,
Nas
at
Reed
Jeremy
na.
Grant's state right now, he's just an offensive Vando.
Bro,
Honestly,
even Portland, why would he play defense in Portland?
honestly,
What attitude is that then?
Diba the Lakers have money to spend. The Lakers always have money to spend. If I were them, I should have just put the house Miles Turner na lang.
Yeah,
Miles
agree.
Turner na lang
Okay yun,
agad.
okay yun. Oh, yung
Agree.
rumors, di ba? Dapat
Yeah.
Miles Turner na lang agad.
Totoo yun, totoo yun.
Ang problema sa Lakers rumors, wala naman nagkakatotoo.
Oo. Rumors lang naman kasi it's the Lakers.
Ano yun ba?
Feel ko di nila kaya afford to guys sa Turner din.
Di naman siya ganun kamahal,
100
25. Uy, mahal ah. Mahal kaya
107 mil?
If the Bucks
25
had a
mil.
way to play, I think di kaya afford ng Lakers.
Winave nila si LeBron.
Especially with LeBron 52 million pay cut.
Winave nila sila.
That's wild, That's wild, bro.
Ano,
That's
pare,
wild, that's wild.
Iyak ako nun.
How selfish. How
That's wild.
selfish.
52 million is wild,
52
bro. At
million.
age 40.
How
At age 40.
selfish. How selfish.
Tapos sabi daw, pay cut pa daw.
How selfish. Anyway, ang sasabihin ko lang dapat, yes, they got a center, a big. But how will they match up still with the likes of Jokic? And speaking of Jokic, yun nga, tingnan mo, nakita niyo ito yung isa ko pang, yung last transaction na gusto kong pag-usapan, the Denver Nuggets. They basically,
PJ.
they got, ano ba? They
Valanciunas.
retooled in a bit better way. They got Valanciunas, they got Bruce Brown, they got Cam Johnson. They
Pare,
retooled.
championship team.
They retooled again. They
Bruce,
were
Tim Hardaway.
Tim
Yeah, they got
Hardaway
Tim Hardaway.
Jr. Like,
Gago.
they
good
retooled.
team.
So if you're gonna, if that's if the Lakers only needed DeAndre Ayton against that team, siguro grabe naman yun.
Si Valanciunas, di pa sure ah. Kasi sinascout
Yeah,
siya ata ng Euroleague.
Yeah, abroad, yeah.
Valanciunas, lumipat ka na, Lakers.
Road Mundial to the Lakers.
Hey, I mean, we'll probably talk about the Nuggets, pero yun nga, shout out to the Brooklyn Nets, bro. You guys are about to have Like the lowest average assist ever. Like Cam Thomas, that guy ain't gonna pass the ball. Michael
Grabe
Porter
yun,
Jr.
grabe.
But that's Michael. Don't swing the rock, Porter. Like that guy is not gonna pass the ball. Like these guys can score like 40 in a night. Pero like ano
Yun
lang
lang
yan,
yung score
Na
nila.
40 lang din.
score di 40. Tapos wala silang assist pre. Like makikita mo si Cam Thomas bababa niya, susunod si Michael Porter Jr. bababa niya. That's it. Like
Pero
like
bro, sorry that was just like Shea in game 5. 0 assists. Ano masasabi mo dun, Matt?
Champion, MVP, Champion, MVP, Finals MVP, Conference Finals MVP, leading scorer, number 1 seed. Di ko alam, ano pa ba, Sams? Anong masasabi mo?
Feeling ko si
Not
Kenrich
James
Williams
Harden.
dapat yung nag-MVP.
Yun talaga yung Kenrich Williams.
Kenrich Williams talaga dapat nag-MVP.
Pero bring it back to the Nuggets. That's a contender. Like
Yeah,
Championship,
agreed.
Matic.
I know that they're a contender every year because they have the best player in the world. Pero Cam Johnson, that's a significant upgrade from Michael Don't Swing the Rock Porter Jr.
Haba na pa.
Best player in the world daw, Mato.
Best player in the world.
Totoo naman eh.
Best player in the world, yeah.
Totoo
It's
naman.
true.
Should have been the MVP.
Ang definition ng MVP, most valuable. Hindi best player.
So kapag inalis mo si Jokic
Most
sa Denver,
valuable.
uminom ka rin?
Alin? Sorry, ano yun?
Kapag inalis mo si Jokic sa Denver, you don't think they're like
I think Mr. Samson, I didn't say that, no. I said most valuable player. So it doesn't mean that if you take out Jokic, hindi siya valuable. Mas valuable lang si Shea sa team niya.
No.
I would
So,
think that.
okay, so ngayon,
That's kind of wild.
ngayon, if you're gonna say anything less, guess what, Sams? I don't give a shit. I don't care.
Okay, that's kind of wild.
I don't care.
Gotcha, bro.
If next season it's not gonna happen the same way, it's fine. It already happened, and I don't care. It's already written in the books. It's in history.
Yo.
Wala ka na magagawa.
Before we end, can we talk about the UAP? I just found something out lang, like
Ano yan, ano
I
yan?
think yesterday. Na there's gonna be, hindi ko alam kung in talks pa lang or finalized na, that there's going to be a best foreign student athlete award na.
Thank you, Lord.
Separate na?
Separate na. They're gonna do what the NCAA did
Dapat
way
lang.
back when.
Dapat lang.
You think so?
So, yun nga, I was gonna ask your guys on your thoughts on that. Kasi for me, I don't agree. Personally, I don't agree with it.
Really,
Yes.
why?
Who was the last FSA MVP ba?
Ange.
Kwame.
Hindi, si Diouf din.
Si Diouf.
Ay, Diouf. Yeah, sorry.
Oh.
Yeah. It was Malik Diouf, and then it was KQ back to back.
I don't agree with it simply because kaya naman nilang manalo ng MVP ng kaya ng
FSA's been trash though last years.
Okay.
pero hindi naman
Still.
nila kasalanan yun.
Yeah, pero nga,
Um,
hindi lang nalagay. That's just to give someone an award. Kung
Yeah.
yung era ni na Charles Mami, yun, may competition.
Yun,
Grabe
siguro.
yun,
Pwede
pare.
yan.
Grabe yun,
Manila,
pare.
Manila,
Manila.
no,
Manila.
for real, yung
Yung
Charles
edad ni
Mami,
Baya.
Alfred Aroga.
Yeah.
Pare, Karim Abdul. Karim Abdul. Oy!
Bro, mga Papi Sar.
Yan.
Pagkakar.
Diba?
Yung sa FEU, ano pangalan nun?
Mga ganong players.
FEU? Si
Prince Ur-
Yeah.
Prince
Prince
Orizu.
Orizu,
Prince
pare.
Orizu.
Prince Orizu.
Oh,
For-
yan.
I'm not a fan, bro. Like,
Same.
parang sinabi nila na like, hindi, kasi yun yung nangyari sa NCAA eh. It was what happened before they removed FSAs. Like, yung MVP ng NCAA, parang naging secondary award na lang siya. Kasi, FSA yung pinakamagaling sa league. So, I just don't see the need for it.
I think it's to
Especially-
boost the level of recruiting an FSA.
It
No.
doesn't make it still doesn't make sense because if you're
Yeah.
good if you're a good enough FSA, you should be an MVP.
Oh.
Yeah, you should be an
Oo.
MVP.
So if hindi ka MVP, hindi naman kasalanan ng league 'yun, 'di ba? Dapat if you're that good, you should be an MVP. Hindi yung bibigyan ka ng separate award na pagpipilian, 8 lang kayo.
Approved na ba
Yeah.
siya? Or ano
It's
ba
good.
yun?
I'm not
Two
I'm not
banners.
sure.
Ano?
Approved
Like
na siya
two banners.
or
Yes, si
in
Byron,
talks pa?
Ano sinasabi ni Byron?
Ay.
Parang naging 2-man race lang naman yun. Parang dalawa lang naman yung magaling
Technically,
na FS.
2 to 3 man race lang yun ng
Sino
FS.
na ba magaling na FSA ngayon sa UAP?
Yung pa rin pa si Momo Way.
Oh yeah, si Momo
Wala
Way.
Momo Way.
Matik na yun.
Yung
Shoutout
ano?
kay Luke Pacheco.
Si FEU. Rookie of the Year.
VJ Pre.
Hindi, no. Na-import. Import.
Si,
You know.
I don't know.
Di kita ba yun? Gusto parang
There is
ganun.
name si Thatcher, something like that.
Pucha, ang dami natin pinag...
Si
That is
Statue,
first
pare. Bagay
No,
na.
this award will only benefit si Colin, yung FSA ng NU na lumipat ng
Collins
US.
Okowe.
Ay, yun pa pala. I
Collins
wanna
Okowe.
talk about that next episode or whatever.
Next
Who will
time na
be
yun.
the next? Sige, next time na. Sa UAP, excited daw. I like UAP. I have a lot to talk about.
Ayun. O
UAP.
sige,
Abangan
abangan
nyo,
nyo yun guys on the next episode of the Intangibles podcast whenever that will be. But for now, ayun muna yung pag-uusapan natin. You know, ito, bago tayo mag-end, no? Just everyone who will win the championship next season. I don't need
NBA?
explanations. Yes,
As
I
it
don't
is
need
right now.
explanation. As it is right now, who will win the champion? I don't need explanations. Go, Pio.
NBA.
One,
NBA.
just say a team, Pio.
NBA.
Oo nga, NBA.
Denver.
Phil,
Denver, Nuggets. Sure.
Sams,
Rockets.
Bye. Putang ina mo. Lige.
Of course.
baby.
Lige, sino sa'yo?
Sige, so West, Denver, OKC.
Isa nga lang eh.
Oh.
Isa nga lang eh.
Pinaka dark horse, Cavs.
Isa nga lang.
That's
Isa lang.
Pwede, kaya.
Isa lang. Isa
No
lang.
way, bro.
Labanan.
No way, bro.
Isa lang.
Feeling ko OKC pa rin.
If it's OKC and Cavs in the finals, bro, Shea's gonna average like 50.
But who's coming out of the East? Kasi the East is wide open now.
Cavs.
Cavs
New
na.
York.
Pare, Knicks
New
tayo,
York.
Knicks.
New York.
New
New
York,
Ayaw nga,
baby.
New York.
New York, go.
Tangina,
Pero
bago-bago pa talaga eh,
pwede
no?
rin naman Spurs.
Spurs out of the East.
Okay, huwag na nga. Thank you for watching the Intangibles podcast.
Spurs out
It's
of the
been
East is
fun.
wild,
Welcome back. Welcome back to us.
Baby, season 2.
Welcome
See
back,
y'all-
guys.
See you all on the next one. Bye-bye.
Spurs out of the East is wild, bro.